I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. She is drinking water. She is drinking water. They are walking to school. They are walking to school. We are watching TV. We are watching TV. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. They are playing basketball. They are playing basketball. I am studying for a test. I am studying for a test. She is taking a nap. She is taking a nap. He is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. We are having breakfast. We are having breakfast. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. They are making pizza. They are making pizza. She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. I am calling my friend. I am calling my friend. He is fixing the car. He is fixing the car. We are playing video games. We are playing video games. I am going for a walk. I am going for a walk. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. They are shopping at the store. They are shopping at the store. We are visiting a friend. We are visiting a friend. He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. We are going to bed. We are going to bed. He is brushing his hair. He is brushing his hair. I am making a sandwich. I am making a sandwich. She is taking a shower. She is taking a shower. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. We are having lunch. We are having lunch. He is cleaning the car. He is cleaning the car. They are playing football. They are playing football. I am cooking breakfast. I am cooking breakfast. She is looking for her keys. She is looking for her keys. We are having a meeting. We are having a meeting. He is writing a poem. He is writing a poem. I am feeding the dog. I am feeding the dog. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. We are reading a magazine. We are reading a magazine. I am walking the dog. I am walking the dog. They are cleaning the windows. They are cleaning the windows. He is watching the news. He is watching the news. I am visiting my grandmother. I am visiting my grandmother. We are making breakfast. We are making breakfast. She is eating dinner. She is eating dinner. I am studying English. I am studying English. He is working on his computer. He is working on his computer. We are going shopping. We are going shopping. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. She is washing her face. She is washing her face. They are fixing the sink. They are fixing the sink. I am packing my bag. I am packing my bag. He is playing with his dog. He is playing with his dog. We are talking on the phone. We are talking on the phone. I am drinking coffee. I am drinking coffee. She is listening to a podcast. She is listening to a podcast. We are having a picnic. We are having a picnic. He is reading the newspaper. He is reading the newspaper. I am preparing lunch. I am preparing lunch. She is playing with her cat. She is playing with her cat. We are singing a song. We are singing a song. I am helping my mom. I am helping my mom. I am helping my mom. They are doing their homework. They are doing their homework. He is looking at his phone. He is looking at his phone. We are playing chess. We are playing chess. I am organizing my room. I am organizing my room. She is cleaning the kitchen. She is cleaning the kitchen. They're watching TV together. They're watching TV together. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. She is checking her email. She is checking her email. We are running in the park. We are running in the park. I am watering the flowers. I am watering the flowers. He is talking to his friend. He is talking to his friend. We are eating ice cream. We are eating ice cream. She is jogging in the morning. She is jogging in the morning. I am fixing the computer. I am fixing the computer. They are playing tennis. They are playing tennis. He is setting the table. He is setting the table. We are making a salad. We are making a salad. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. She is packing for the trip. She is packing for the trip. They are preparing for the party. They are preparing for the party. I am getting ready for bed. I am getting ready for bed. We are learning new words. We are learning new words. He is folding the laundry. He is folding the laundry. I am playing a board game. I am playing a board game. She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook. We are drinking juice. We are drinking juice. I am drawing with crayons. I am drawing with crayons. He is playing a video game. He is playing a video game. We are cleaning the floor. We are cleaning the floor. I am making a cup of tea. I am making a cup of tea. She is stretching her arms. She is stretching her arms. They are learning to dance. They are learning to dance. I am cooking dinner tonight. I am cooking dinner tonight. We are practicing English. We are practicing English. He is riding a skateboard. He is riding a skateboard.